Hey guys, welcome to New Tech Hub. Today we're gonna unbox Jabra 85 Edge. Let's look at the features. It's going to be smart active noise cancellation, purpose-built speaker, supersonic music, and 36 hours of battery. Smart active noise cancellation, custom music setting, that's audio adjust. You have 36 hour battery with the noise cancellation on, 8 microphone and voice assistant enable, and rain resistant, durability for 2 years warranty. Have a look at the link below for Amazon if you want the most updated price. Audio cable, and it's going to be the USB-C charger. It is a fast charging headphone. That's your case and all that. Very different from Bose and Sony. And you have a water resistant material, and there is no buttons and all that, so everything is on here. Volumes up, volumes down, USB-C charger, audio cable, and pretty much it. And your adjustable is very different than other premium headphones where it's adjusted from this and it just moves from this. And let's check how far we can stretch. You can hear little sounds that's on the corners. It will able to take a little more abuse than QC35s or other premium headphones. So let me connect it to the Bluetooth and let's see the audio quality. So at the moment we're listening to a song to see the latency. It is loud. So if you wear it, single press. So single press, a pause.
Battery medium connected.
So volumes down, volumes up. So for volumes up, just press the button up, and volumes down from there. They are very close to the premium headphone, even though this is the first noise cancellation headphone done by Jabra. If you're comparing the features wise, Sony will be the first one come with the best noise cancellation. Jabra beats Bose on noise cancellation, battery life, ambient sound, and touchpad, water resistant. It will be a bad year if Bose didn't do something new, because there is so many new companies are stepping up and offering much better headphone for cheaper price for customers, where Bose haven't done nothing so far except releasing sunglasses, sleep buds, and sound waves. Nothing else they have done. Bose didn't step up. They will be gone in few years, because now Jabra is stepping up and Sennheiser is doing momentum amazing headphones. If you are a person looking for a premium headphone but with a water resistant and 36 hours of battery, Jabra 85 Edge will be the best option. Subscribe and like the videos. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.